Now, speaking of Apple, they have a very expensive computer coming up. Well, they've got the Mac Pro, the cheese grater one with the stand, the expensive stand to go with it. It'll cost you $500,000 for this, something in that neighborhood. Not that much. Maybe, just maybe, you don't want to pay that money, but you're really into the cheese grater design. Maybe you just love that thing. Maybe you have to have that, Will. But you don't want to. You need the budget.
Okay. How do I get that?
Yeah. That's the right question. You can get a crowd-funded case that gives you the exact Mac Pro look for your Windows computer. That's what you could do, and do your own build in there, because that's what you get. That's what crowdfunding will do for you. It's called the Dune case. And it looks exactly like the Mac Pro cheese grater case. There's no difference at all. I don't know if the quality is going to be identical, but it looks exactly like it from the outside. Apparently inside, it's a bit different because they know people are going to do their custom builds. That's the whole point of it. So it'll support motherboards ranging from mini ATX through extended ATX and graphics cards 15 inches long up to GeForce RTX 2080. So you could do a gaming PC, Will, inside of your cheese grater.
Cool.
Which I know has been something that's been on your list. So I had to bring this to your attention. Now, this company, Dune Case, they did a previous case, which kind of looked like the old Mac Pro case as well. But this one is apparently even closer to a one-to-one type of situation. And so the concern right now is that even though this Kickstarter is going on, is it Kickstarter or Indiegogo?
Kickstarter.
It's Kickstarter. Even though this Kickstarter is going on, what about the legalities?
I smell a lawsuit.
You smell a lawsuit.
Is this
You smell a
gonna
lawsuit.
happen?
Yeah. I smell one too.
Is it on Kickstarter right now?
Apparently it's on Kickstarter right now. I think it's $200. The $199 Dune case. Oh, the $199 was based on to 2013. Go check what they're charging for this one if you can find it on Kickstarter. Dune case. Oh, is it down? Wait a second. Dune Pro. Wait a second.
Oh, Dune Pro.
Wait a second here. Oh, maybe they're crowdfunding it on their own website, because I've heard this in the past where Kickstarter will steer clear of certain risky products. Weren't we just talking about this recently? I can't remember. Kickstarter was getting sued for crowdfunding a product, which was a knockoff, but I can't remember which one it was. Anyway, Dune Pro, you go to dunecase.com. You can see the Dune Pro. I don't know, pretty nice website. There's a teardown video. It doesn't look exactly the same because the front part of the cheese grater on the Dune Pro, the cutouts, the dots are a bit smaller. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Crafted with precision, high-grade aluminum. Top panel with USB connectors, industry standards, expansion slots, 7 PCI slots, 5 SSD trays, potential for water cooling in there. It looks pretty cool. But I guess it's just but I guess they're just crowdfunding it on their own webpage. Does that sound right? Dune Pro will be available for pre-order on the 21st of October, 2019 via Kickstarter. Beta units are available for review. We could get one. Will. We're a technology publication. All you have to do is email info@dunecase.com, and we could get this on the show. We could do a Hackintosh before the Mac Pro's even out.
There you go.
The new one. So, I mean, I don't want to do your job for you, Will. But maybe I just did.
Yes. I'll contact them.
No, I'm just kidding. No one can do Will's job. If I had to do Will's job, this business wouldn't even exist. Well, you just did Jack's exhale there. You just stole Jack's exhale.
Yeah, we're all in it together.
How did we describe that particular exhale? It's a laugh, but it's also
a balloon deflating.
Right. It's also kind of a shot. It's taking a shot at the guy.
Yes.
Yeah, that's at least the way Jack likes to use it. Maybe you're using it differently.
No, it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah,
Kind of like,
well.
come on, man. Come on, man. Anyhow, Dune case, yeah, who knows? Maybe we're going to have this Mac Pro before Apple has this Mac Pro. So long as these guys don't get sued or taken. I hope they don't. I don't know. It's a different thing. It's for a PC. I was in a Hackintosh game once upon a time, having fun with that stuff.
Yeah.
Making Hackintoshes.
They're fun.
It was a fun thing, but it was a lot of work. Who knows? I don't even know what that scene is like right now. Could be a cool project. Maybe we'll do it.